Bless me head side. Lord have mercy. What bring you round?
Well, my man just tell me for pause.
Oh, that's nice. You know me fly out tomorrow?
Yes, me here.
You here? How will you hear that news from? I won't tell you that.
But look on your face like you smell something and you're not glad to see me.
Of course me glad. What you want?
Well, it's just a little favor I go beg you do for me.
Me should have know you never come round here for nothing.
Go on, man. It's just a little favor I beg you. You want to see me on my hands and knees?
No, master. But my suitcase packed till it can't pack no more.
It's just a little something.
You don't know that all them little sing ting add up to big sing ting? You ever see Jamaican plane fly off? Them no go straight. Them just lean
Is what make it go so?
It's all them little sing ting people want you bring out.
Well, you can or you can't.
What it is?
Well, Miss Mary did tell me
Miss
said
Mary? How Miss Mary no say me come and me not tell Miss Mary? She too fast. So, what you want me to bring? Because me and Uma that not like bring what me no know about in my case. When me land in that hot sunshine, me want walk. Me now want to run and land up in a jailhouse.
It's just letters.
Letters? Why you never say?
Cause you never give me the chance.
Well, if you did say you have a little letter, me would never have vexed up with you. But when you say you have a little sing thing, me did feel say it was big like a barrel. Bring the letter card.
All right, darling. This one for Miss Mary. This one for Molly. This one for Miss Lucas.
What me let myself in for?
This is for Jerry Turvis.